Welcome back. You're still tuned into Markets at Noon right here on ET Now, and we just had inflation data, WPI inflation data, which was flashing for you on your screens, where it has come in at negative 0.32%. Now remember, we were working with an estimate of about 0.6 to 0.7 negative figure, and it has come in at negative 0.32%, so slightly lower than what we were working with. Now as far as month-on-month comparison is concerned, in the previous month, that is in the month of October, it stood at about 1.21%, again a negative figure, and it is at minus 0.32% for the month of October, but largely in line with what analysts were suggesting. But to understand what the fundamental and the technical market setup is looking like, we now have Mr. Rajesh Bhosale, technical analyst at Angel One, joining us. Mr. Bhosale, afternoon, and thank you so much for joining us. We have recovered from the lowest point of the day. Nifty Bank is in the green. Your sense, and what are you making of the market setup at this point in time?
Hi, afternoon, and thank you for having me on your show. So if we see last week on Friday, we Nifty left a bullish gap around 25,900 levels, and today in the morning after a gap down opening, these levels were tested. But from those levels, we are seeing a strong bounce back. So our bias remains positive, but somewhere we sense that index is trapped in a range. So as of now, we are having an approach where buying on dips would be suggested. So if we see on the lower side, 25,900 to 25,700 seems to be a strong base. But on the same stance, 26,200 to 26,300 seems to be a stiff resistance. So one needs to play this range, buy on dips, and look to in a position at the higher levels.
Right. So those are the levels. But Rajesh, also tell us, we are a little shy of the New Year. In fact, just 15 days shy of the New Year, and Christmas is also soon approaching. You are incrementally positive on the market. Do we expect the markets to perhaps move up sentimentally during that period? Do we expect a Santa rally? And also, what are the picks? What are the stocks that you would be bullish on?
Yeah, so if you see last week, Nifty when tested at 25,700, similar bank, mid-cap and small caps were under pressure. But interestingly, on Tuesday, we saw a bullish hammer pattern both on the mid-cap and small cap index. And after that, those levels has been supported. So from there, we are seeing some broader market strength. So from here, we definitely have a bullish view, and we expect broader market to perform well. The mid-cap and small caps were definitely under pressure. But going ahead, we expect indices to be stuck in a range, and broader markets to do well. We would have a thematic approach where selective banking space are doing well. One of the counter from banking space we are liking is IDFC First Bank. It has been trading in a range, but today we saw a range breakout in IDFC First Bank. So with a stop loss of 81, one can buy IDFC First Bank. In the near term, we expect targets of around 88 levels. Along with that, if we see today, we are seeing some buying in the FMCG space. Also, if we see FMCG index, it is trading around its key support. Britannia is showing strong range breakout. So we would recommend Britannia for a strong move from the current levels. 58.50 should be kept as a stop loss, and then in near term, we expect targets of around 63.50.
Okay, so that's a buy call coming in for Britannia. 6350 is the target price. Mr. Bhosale, thank you so much for taking your time out and helping us with your technical views on the market. On that note, we need to slip into a very short break, but more news and updates will continue on the other side.